How to create a home fitness equipment store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store for free using this platform. So let's get started first by showing you how you can create your account. So here, just open a new window and type Shopify and choose the first link that you will have here in order to proceed to starting your free trial. So just click on start free trial, then you will be able to start your free trial easily in the platform. And then after starting your free trial, you will proceed to this dashboard. It's where you can control everything about your online store. So here, as you can see, you will have 3 days for free to use the platform. Then you can select a plan, or you can select it from now to extend your Shopify trial for just $1 per month for your first 3 months. So that's basically free. $1 per month is basically free. It's just paying it just to show that you're a real person, you're not a robot, or you're not just messing around. So here in your left, you have these buttons where you can control everything about your platform. You can go to the home, you can check the orders, you can check the products as well. Here you can add a new product, or you can import a product from the other platforms. Here you have the customers, you have the content, and you have the analytics. Here you can check everything about your platform. If you want to see your total sales, you want to see your sales by channel, you want to see your conversion rate, your online store sessions, you want to see your AOV, average order value, your total orders. So you can see everything about the platform. And then you move on to the online store. It's where you can check your theme and where you can change how your store is looking. So here, click on view your store to see how it's looking for now. So this is how our store is looking. And if you want to change the theme, so when first you create your account, you will have this theme installed, and by scrolling down you will be able to change that to whatever other theme you'd like. So here, just click on visit theme store, and you'll be able to see a lot of themes. There are the free themes and the paid themes. So you can choose a theme based on your budget. If you want to pay for the paid ones, like those themes, we have a lot of paid themes. Or if you want to go with the free ones, just filter by free. And then you will be able to see the free themes that you have in here. I have choose this one. You can choose whatever theme you'd like, or whatever theme that fits your requirements. After that, after choosing the theme, for example, let's click on this one. You can click on view demo store to check if the theme fits your requirements. And if you find the theme good for you and meets your requirements, then click on try theme to have it on your platform. So here, after choosing the theme, you will find it in the theme library in here. You will need to click on publish first in order to install it on your online store. After that, you proceed to click on customize to change or to start making changes to your theme. So here, it's easy to change everything about your theme in here. You will just need to click on what you need to change, then you will be able to change it. So for example, if I wanted to change the announcement bar, I will just click on the announcement bar. Then I will be able to change the color scheme of the announcement bar if I want to show the separator line or hide it. And here you can also choose this amazing option, which is the auto rotate announcements. And I'm going to show you what it's used for. Let's click on using it here, and let's go back. Let's change let's add another announcement. We have the welcome to our store announcement, or let's change it to this one. Let's go with free shipping this week. Free shipping this week. Then let's add another announcement. Let's say, for example, 50% off today only. And here, let's go back and watch how it's going to change for every 5 seconds. As you can see, 50% off today only. Then it will change again, free shipping this week. So that's what the auto rotation option is used for. And then after you're done with the announcement bar, then you move on to the header. So here you can add your logo by going to the theme settings, then click on logo, and here click on select image or explore free images in order to drop your logo in here. So for example, let's go to food, or let's go to the fitness equipment. Here click on explore free images, women's fashion, men, nature, work, accessories, shopping, watches, fitness. Let's choose something about fitness. For example, let's choose this avocado and then click on select. And here it is. It's your logo now. You can edit it in here. Click on edit. So guys, this is just an example. You can add your own, you can create your own logo. And this is it. Click on save. And here it is. This is our logo. You can choose the width of it in here. This is too much, so let's just leave it at 70 pixels. After that, you can select an image for fav icon as well, and the fav icon is the one you have in here. It's like this one. When you open your store, you will see this fav icon. This is the fav icon. And after you're done with the header, you can do the same again with the other pages. And when you're done with the changes, click on save to save them all. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.